BJP Manipur Pradesh takes out rally in Imphal in support of demonetization and GST. Manipur observes National Legal Services Day. Acting Chief Justice stresses the need to raise awareness about legal services in remote areas. Japanese team recovers remains of Japanese soldiers who died in Second World War in Pubala. And ITI students turn violent as they press their demands for principal and well-equipped laboratory. 2 cars set on fire. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A large number of leaders and workers of BJP Manipur Pradesh took out an anti-black money rally in Imphal in support of demonetization and GST today. Rajya Sabha MP Khetremeyum Bhabananda, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit and several MLAs took part in the anti-black money rally, which was flagged off from Iboyaima Shumanglila Shanglen Palace Compound and past Thambu Thong Yai School and Kasham Thong and concluded at the BJP office at Nite Park Chutek. Speaking to media persons ahead of the rally, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit said the poor has been benefited by various schemes introduced after demonetization, a move against black money by Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led BJP government. Later, speaking at the meeting held at the party office after the rally, Minister Biswajit maintains that demonetization has its pros and cons. He said one of the disadvantages was people had to stand in long queues in front of the banks to withdraw or deposit money. The minister asserted that the benefits of demonetization are manifold and that it's why many people supported demonetization except a few opposition parties. Biswajit warned the opposition parties not to create doubts in the minds of the people with their movement against demonetization. He alleged that there were many scams, including the Commonwealth scams, game scam and 2G scam during the Congress rule from 2004 to 2014. He recalls that there were also Loktag, MDS, CCTV and traffic light scams in Manipur. He accused the former Congress government of being the government of scams. Biswajit also mocked the Black Day observation by 10 opposition parties yesterday and said it should have been called the Black Money Day.
Demonetization taugiwadagi kolamgi maman handare sanagi maman handare adu laharba kayada masidagi chapkhalakpa akogi lairiba paisa laga thamamba pasingchi akoi track tawba ngamba adu punamakta bank through se la info singsina jandhan gi account oro tuan ba akogi chabok pi gi oro GST ga amadi akoi demonetization kana ba khata pi bani praja mayam da akoi na paisa on badan amadi paisa sumna kaki akogi bank da lepada khudong thiba awaba nangkhiba government gi paisa khtang akoi paisa नंबदा संघिबा पोषक नतना अखोगी GST अमदी demonetization ना भारत की प्रजा पुनमक लारब कोननबगी अमदी तोवान तोवान बा अखोगी लेरिबा इकोनॉमी द चाखोननबगी अमदी चप मानबा थोंगद लागनबगी अमदी ट्रांसपेरेंसी की चांगजे हेंगलले हाबचे ए प्रजा मयाम द थमजगे.
Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur and Koteshwar flagged off a motorcycle rally held on the theme Connecting to Serve in connection with National Legal Services Day from Khwaramban, Samumakhong. The rally will go till Churachandpur. Manipur State Legal Services Authority, District Legal Services Authority, Imphal West, Bishnupur, Churachandpur and Motor Corps Manipur have jointly organized the motorcycle rally. Speaking at the event, Justice N. Koteshwar said the rally was being organized to spread awareness of legal services among people in every nook and corner of the state. The rally flagged off from Samumakhong will halt briefly at Malom, Nambol, Bishnupur, Kwakta and Tuibong to spread legal services awareness. The acting Chief Justice stressed the need to raise awareness about legal services in remote areas, in addition to the awareness created through articles and news items published in local dailies and legal services awareness programs. A rally was also taken out from Uripok Cherab Court covering BT Road, MG Avenue, Kasturi Bridge, Nagamapal before concluding at Uripok Cherab Court to mark the day.
Micham Prajabu legal service karino legal service authority na magi kari tobo ngamgani mayam gi praja gi damakta leiba sangsana ma oibana akoina yariba makhai state sigi mafam khuding da kachin koya da channabagi paudam se sandona ba hone jabagi akoi gi atm mamani akoi gi ngasi tawjari se ngasi sidagi flag off tawraga akoina ihana ambada nambol chachagani nambol lagi bishnupur chachagani bishnupur lagi amuk mathang moirang chalaga churachandpur chalaga churachandpur halaga akoina mayamda akoi gi legal service authority karino haibasi sandokna ba akoi gi hone jabani ngasi gi program.
Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IBSD today signed a memorandum of understanding with Belgium-based Vision on Technology (VITO) in the fields of climate change, environment, water management, biotechnology, bamboo refinery, bioresources management at a function held at Hotel Taj, New Delhi. The signing of the MOU coincides with the visit of the King and Queen of Belgium to India. The MOU was signed by Professor Dinabandhu Sahu, Director of IBSD, and Dr. Dirk Frenzier, Managing Director of VITO. Professor Dinabandhu Sahu said the MOU is very important for both the countries, especially for the socio-economic development of the Northeast. Professor Sahu told the Belgian king that things are rapidly changing in the Northeast and soon many more developmental projects will be brought to the Northeast. The Japan Association for Recovery and Repatriation of War Casualties JARRWC team, consisting of the first Secretary of Japanese Embassy Kenji Aya, who are on a 7-day visit in Imphal, recovered the remains of their forefathers who were killed in the Second World War at Pubala Wat No. 2 today. Co-founder of the Second World War Imphal Campaign Foundation, Arambam Angamba, who accompanied the team in the search, said the excavation processes continued after the relation between the India and Japan improved, and the search for the remains will take place in 3 different places in Manipur. Angamba said the bones will be cremated in Imphal and the ashes will be taken to Japan. Officials of Forensic Lab, Manipur Anthropologist Department, Manipur University, Art and Culture were also present during the research. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Kaching Police Commando, Women Police and 39 Assam Rifles arrested one former cadre of UNLF who is currently working for KYKL from Kaching Lamkhai area during frisking and checking on Tuesday evening. The cadre is identified as Hijam Marjid, alias Mongol Jau, 23 years, from Lamjau Mayai Lekai. PRO Police Department in a press release said an auto rickshaw bearing registration number MN01C5250 and incriminating articles were seized from him, and a case has been registered at Kaching Police Station. Meanwhile, a team of Thawal Police arrested a member of the newly formed organization United Peoples of Kangleipak UPK during a door-to-door search operation in the midnight of November 8. The team arrested Ningthaujam Raghumani, 42 years, from his residence at Hairok Part 3, Lamlong Mari Phangba. 2 Chinese hand grenades and incriminating articles were seized from him. A case has been registered at Hairok Police Station. Police today conducted a search operation at Uripok Pachaspati Lekai as part of the security measures in connection with the upcoming Sangai festival. The police team, led by additional SP Operation Madhunimai under the supervision of SP Imphal West, conducted the operation from 5 in the morning. 3 bailed-out persons and 1 person without valid ID document were picked up for further verification. Senior SP Imphal West has suspended SI KH Satyabanta and SI A Ashok Kumar of Lamphel Police Station for their grave misconduct and dereliction of duty. The senior SP in his orders issued on November 8 said a departmental proceeding is being contemplated against them, and during the period of suspension their headquarters will be at Reserve Lines Imphal West and they will not leave their headquarters without prior permission from him. Police today took out a protest rally in Bishnupur against non-availability of PDS items under the National Food Security Act, NAFSA. The people of 11 wards of 4 municipal councils and Gram Panchayats alleged that they are not given rice under NAFSA for 2 months. They also alleged that it happened due to partiality of the DC Bishnupur. A large number of cardholders of Nambol Municipal Council, wards number 15, 10, 8 and 4, Ishok Gram Panchayat, wards number 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 and Sanjenbam Uyumpok Gram Panchayat, ward number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 staged a sit-in at Nambol Sabal Lekai Community Hall and later took out the protest rally till Nambol Chingmang. They also demanded transfer of the DC. And NAFSA card holders said the DC told them that they were not issued a rice as there is dispute among the agents. She alleged that the DC has neglected the court's directive to issue rice through the agents.
DC da khoi nangu matam da sai na ba noi khoi case ama lebana ni hai khulona ba da ching yelaga khoi ching yendri ba se kari gena khoi ching piu hai ba matam da ejen na khum e ba ko ejen ani yena ba dagi DC na thingjan na ching pi dre ko tawa ka lu ba dagi case tongna ba dagi court ki rai da di July ki tang 13 ta adau ba ejen ama thokti phau ba FCA gi han gi agency da pi ga da ni hai na court ki rai le re adu moi na ching pi da ba ni hai da na agency na khum bi re DCC misang mi khai yam na nai ba rajniti gi thong yam na chang ba adugumba phattaba DC ni akoi pamjade chengjin hangan pithokpa yarbodo mana phajalaga thamijde mana ngami matagum praja da otpani aduna praja gi damakta khanba DC anobam pubiro hoji leiba DC de khoi supam pamjade dance part away kasibo pidraga de khoi makha taba khongting atum changchalakhi gani.
Joint Student Coordination Committee JSCC will felicitate the candidates of College Students Union who contested the election under the committee at Ima Kuntog Hanbi Shanglen DM College Complex on November 11. Speaking at the meeting of the JSCC at MSU head office, convener of JSCC N Muktangamba said, out of the 200 candidates who contested the election, 105 candidates under committee won the election. JSCC is the union of MSU, MSF, KSA and SUK.
Punbagi waina karak kraba candidate sing okgi thoram ama JC amadi akogi monitoring cell ga waina na lakliba tang tarama thoi sida DM college campus ta leiriba ima konthungan bi ki changden da pangthok charagani masida akogi lebak miyam amadi chatra khibikna lakpiduna saruk yabinaba nisingjari amadi mamang da koi chatra gi waina JCC waina apunbagi waina changjan minarakpa chatra gi issue amadi social gi oiba issue amukka hena JCC na punna changjan minaduna lebak miyam da tawgudaba thabak thoram mayam makha tana pangthok charagani.
People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak Pre-Park will observe Athoba Singhi Ningsing Numit on November 12 in honor of the martyred revolutionaries. The Secretary in charge of Publicity and Propaganda, Leibag Ngakpa Luang, in a press release has asked the people not to organize entertainment programs on the day. Assistant Secretary Publicity of RPF Bankim in a press release clarified that Sunil Kumar Sharma, 39 years, son of Lalji Sharma from Bishnupur, Ngangchou Pokpi, Mamang Lekai, Tenkal Khunau, arrested by 5 JK Rifles A Company on November 7, has no connection with RPF. Imphal Municipal Employees Union has suspended its ceased work after the government met their demands on the 7th of this month. The employees were on ceased work from September 22, demanding implementation of the 6th Pay Commission. Addressing media persons at BJP office, President of the union, N. Nimbus, said though the state government implemented the 6th Pay Commission since April of 2010, employees of Imphal Municipal Corporation, which is a local body, have been getting the 5th Pay Commission and they have been demanding the 6th Pay Commission. Nimbus said the Chief Minister and Mahut Minister redressed the grievances of the employees and gave approval for implementation of the 6th Pay Commission.
Ngarang si kai kumnajarba Imphal Municipal Corporation gi Mayor, Deputy Mayor amasung Honorable Councillor mayam ga punna akoi gi union ga meeting ama tawraba matungda September tang 12 dagi satharakpa adugumba siswak strike si kolop tawre lauthokchari strike manungda praja miyamda strike asina maram oire hairaga miyamda pigiba saitheng sing adugi damakta Imphal Municipal Employees Union gi maikaidagi nungaitaba phongdokchari.
It's time for a small commercial break, and coming up after the break is the protest by ITI students who are demanding a full-time principal of the institute and a well-equipped laboratory for the students. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Agitating students of Industrial Training Institute ITI Takeo today turned violent to press the demands for a principal and a well-equipped laboratory. They set on fire 2 cars of the institute. The students of the Industrial Training Institute have been demanding a full-time principal, a well-equipped laboratory and other requirements in the institute. Many students of the institute joined the protest and burnt the 2 vehicles kept inside the institute around 11 this morning. The students resorted to violent protests as the state government has failed to meet their demands in spite of submitting a memorandum highlighting their grievances. As soon as the police learned about the incident, Imphal West police rushed at the spot to contain the situation. The police called for fire service to douse the flames, but the agitating students prevented the fire tender from entering the institute. Later, police managed to pacify the students. Police personnel put off the fire with water from a nearby drainage.
Training tawjariba training mayam si mai singa socket to bayawre mai sing bayawre nong yuraga lariba workshop sida koina ising tunga leba workshop sida koina particle to matam da koi je sibu ya bagi fetal sin thok ya bagi exam wang leire library never open, no books there was there larik laitaba library mai sing bayaba workshop nong yibu workshop class phana to bidaba mayam amse koi demand to lak chabani handa kitang reformation tawi, but it's not up to our expectation. We don't expect such kind of small reformation asigum koi accept tawang hamde. It is unacceptable. Ada masi koi yaning de government na tawi thabak je where was policy je masi koi condemn tawi emisugi market de government na matik chab ITI ma lebam thokpagi ITI ma ge lebam thokpa laihan bibang am tragadi kari ITI hang birino ha je. It is our question to he. It's our question to the government.
242 grade 3 and 4 employees of Public Works Department who were appointed in October last year have appeals to remove captain abeyance imposed by the state government for screenings, latest by November 15. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary of newly appointed employees 2016-17 of PWD Manipur, Rangwang Thai said, as per the notice issued in October of 2016, the results for the recruitment of 242 posts were declared on December 23 and 31. The candidates were given posting on March 16, 2017, and they even started attending their office duties. However, the state government has declared that transfers and postings given after March 15 will not be considered. He urged the government to lift the ban by November 15.
Atop department di SIT report haina sumaina moi screening committee SIT report haina lei moi leina MZL process chatabiyai tolo phangi akoi department di kari ge damakta kibin event sabje thamjille haraga akoi MZL su chatahandre aduga thabak su phajana join to hanbidre asigi kibin events hairibase lothok piu SIT report se atubi manung da haidok piu lautok piu 15 November gi manung sida akoi thabaka hanbiu athing base lothok piu.
Aircel, which has been providing mobile service to North East Circle, including Manipur, for more than 12 years, has assured that it will provide better service to the people. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, business head of Aircel North East Circle, Nilaj Mahallanavis, asserted that Aircel has been successfully providing service to North East Circle. He said the people need not apprehend that this mobile service provider will be discontinued in Manipur. He also said the company will introduce new plans to benefit the customers.
Our unlimited proposition, be it 28-day product to a 70-day product, is the most affordable in the market. And I would request all Aircel users existing and all Aircel users who plan to come into Aircel to give us an opportunity to try and test our product offerings and be satisfied at the end of the day.
Manipur State Shumang Lila Council organized a memorial service for the popular Shumang Lila artist Konjengbam Mani at her residence at Herangoi Thong, Ahibam Lekai, Oinam Lairak today. Members of the council and people present offered a floral tribute to the portrait of the artist. Speaking on the occasion, lifetime secretary of the council S. Hemanta emphasized the role a theatre plays in the development of human civilization. He also said sports and culture are the identity of the state. He asserted that theatre is part of the culture and that Shumang Lila artists who have relentlessly worked for the promotion of this unique art form must be given due respect. It may be mentioned that Konjengbam Mani acted in various Shumang Lilas. She was a member of the Yangam Lairag Nupi Shumang Lila Association, which backed the third position in the Shumang Lila Festival organized by the council this year. Mani passed away on October 30.
Shumang Lila kalakar ma se lekai ma ta soki yung bugum na te yung buya na te yam na akan na ba tuan mga pamda amamam katang taru tanan na sat lerang gumani akan na ba miyoy po ni Shumang Lila boy ko na mamangay da jatrawali ay na hainer ba matamda kari marang dito bakta jatrawali ko ribo no hainer haibada Manipur State Shumang Lila Council ni yan han ba president boy bilang ba founder president like po bang madumang konsar man hainer mi jatra bayam na punsa laga sana ba lila abu jatrawali ay na kawi lila ki artist na habi si around sahi kun mga ke mun go gani mamang di lila ko sa matan na hudor pundi ko lila si.
The new production of Manipuri Jagoi Marup MJM Kunjaras was presented at the MJM Complex, Lamboy Khongnang Khong today. Director of Art and Culture Dr. K. Sushila, distinguished dance artists and dance lovers witnessed the classical dance. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, the Secretary of MJM, R.K. Sanahan said the event was being organized to promote Raj Leela as the performance of this unique classical dance form has decreased in the state.
Koi nitaras di baraso koi loina pangthok jagani aduga masi pangthok jabagi pandam sumutna bagi maram amasu oibaga loina na koi gi Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy sahi khuni gi leptana dance festival si pangthok piri jagoi marup su koi ayam matamda koi gi saruk thungbi jagoi ras makhal manga sigi manungda ama hekta hairakpada koi ne hekta koi participate tawba ngamna ba ras makhal manga si mathang pangthok jabani.
Inspector General of Police Administration has notified that the verification forms of selected candidates in all Manipur Police Constable Men Civil Viva Voci completed fresh batch 2016 can be collected from drill shed of Manipur Rifles from November 15 to 30 during office hours. The duly filled forms can be submitted by December 15 at the office of IGP Administration Office, Police Headquarters. The medical test for shortlisted candidates for the recruitment of 32 drivers and 27 conductors on contract basis for Manipur State Transport will be held at Directorate Health Services on November 12 and 13. Now the sports news. Samadon Ayangba Polo Team, Tekcham Polo Club and Kangleipak Polo Star Club beat their rivals in the 33rd and Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi state level polo tournament. In the first match played today at Imphal Polo Ground, Samadon Ayangba Polo Team beat Sagolban Apunba Nahar Roll Polo Club 6-4. For the winners, T.H. Basanta scored 3 goals, K. Herojit 2 goals, while N. Homi Achumi scored 1 goal. In the second match, Tekcham Polo Club dropped the Kripsa Polo Team Naremthong 11-2. Tekcham Polo Club's M. Kuber scored 5 goals, Y. Dijen 3, S. Ranjit 2, while M. Manihar scored 1 goal. And in the third match, Kangleipak Polo Star Club Laifam Kunau trashed K and MM Riding School Team B Singjamai 7-3. For the winners, M. Chauba scored 3 goals, while T.H. Premba and H. Sanjay scored 2 goals each. 28 polo teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. A physically disabled and flight lieutenant from Manipur, R.K. Herojit, has won bronze medal in the 17th National Para Swimming Championship organized by Para Swimming Association under the aegis of Paralympic Committee of India at Udaipur in Rajasthan from November 4 to November 8. R.K. Herojit is working at Air Force Station, Pune, and he has been practicing swimming at Bombay Engineering Group and Center for the last around 6 months. It may be mentioned that R.K. Herojit injured his spinal cord while landing with a parachute from a Kiran trainer jet in Secunderabad on August 22, 2011. An alumni of National Defense Academy, Herojit has already attained Academy Blazer for swimming and has won silver medal for the best cadet. Sources at Bombay Engineering Group said personnel to assist R.K. Herojit during practice session are made available as he is confined to his wheelchair. The 37th State Open Water Polo Tournament kicked off today at the swimming pool of Standard College, Kongba. In the first league match played on the opening day, Kongba Youth Organization Team A beat Welfare Youth Liberal and Conduct Organization Kongba 9-6. For the winners, M. Priyachandra scored 4 goals, T.H. Tauba 3 goals, while C.H. Ajay netted 2 goals. For the losing team, L. Bebekananda scored 3 goals, N.G. Sobin 2 goals, and Ketrimayum Loyangamba scored 1 goal. In the second league played in the afternoon, Central Swimming Club Wangkai Ningthempukri Mapal dropped the Standard College Swimming Pool Kongba 21-1. 5 teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Manipur Water Polo Association, Kongba. Khetrigao MLA and Indrajit, Kurai MLA L. Sushindro were among those present at the opening event of the tournament. 2 league matches will be played tomorrow. Manipur Olympic Association in a press release congratulated MC Mary Kom on her win over North Korea's Kim Hyang-mi in the final of the Asian Women Boxing Championship 2017 held at Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam to claim the title. Naga People's Front Manipur State Unit in a press release also congratulated MC Mary Kom on winning the gold medal in the Asian Boxing Championship 2017. The party also wished her luck in all her future endeavors. C.H. Bunty has claimed the ladies' open singles title at the 5th Northeast Cash Prize Tennis Championship. In the final played at Teco Turf of Officers Club, Lamphilpat, C.H. Bunty defeated Charmi Nomai Kapam 6-0, 5-7 and 6-4. In the first semi-finals of the men's open single, Lal Macha of Mizoram beat Ribhashkar of Manipur 6-1 and 6-3, while in the second semi-final, Becker of Manipur beat his rival Luching Lukram 6-1 and 6-3. Lal Macha and Becker will meet in the men's open singles final. 16 men and 7 women are taking part in the championship organized by Manipur Tennis Association. Manipur emerged the overall team champion in the 63rd National School Games under 14 archery. Manipur bagged 10 gold, 8 silver and 6 bronze medals. Haryana bagged the runners-up title with 9 gold, 2 silver and 2 bronze medals, and CBSE bagged the second runners-up title with 2 gold, a silver and a bronze. A total of 351 boys and girls from 23 units of different states of the country took part in the school games organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports under the aegis of School Games Federation of India. Director of YAS N. Praveen, Vice President of Manipur Olympic Association Dr. G.A. Bopishak, Secretary Sunil Ilangbam and officials of YAS attended the closing event. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. BJP Manipur Pradesh takes out rally in Imphal in support of demonetization and GST. Manipur observes National Legal Services Day. Acting Chief Justice stresses the need to raise awareness about legal services in remote areas. Japanese team recovers remains of Japanese soldiers who died in Second World War in Pubala. And ITI students turn violent as they press the demands for principal and well-equipped laboratory. 2 cars set on fire.